Guys, your authority comes from God. Now, does that authority reflect how you live your life? That's a big check on our lives. The authority that comes from God, does your daily life reflect that? If I had like this would get me in like really big trouble. But if I had an all-you-can-eat pass for like every restaurant in Vegas, man, you best believe I'd be hitting that up like every day. Because I'm like, I would walk in like, I got authority. I could eat here. I could eat here. Jordan's laughing because he knows how much I could eat. But I mean, in reality, or would we go around and we'd be like, man, I'm starving all day, every day. I'm starving. I haven't eaten. Wait a minute, don't you have an all-you-can-eat pass? Don't you have this authority in your life? Don't you have this authority to break down strongholds in your family? Don't you have the authority from heaven that we could bind every thought that comes into our mind? We don't have to walk in depression anymore. Don't you know that you have the authority to come above that and not have to be a drunk how your father was or your mother was, or you can come out of your past and be different because you have authority. Friends, you have authority. And that authority comes from God.